Yo.
That's your kid on them pictures?
No.
Oh shit, I'm just asking. How old you is?
19.
What part of Texas you in?
Fort Worth.
Bet, you got IG?
Yeah.
Let me get your IG. Alright, bet I'm gonna hit you up. I'm in Dallas, so I'm definitely gonna hit you up.
Okay.
Alright. Yo,
Yes, hi.
where you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
You currently live in the Philippines?
Hmm?
I said, do you currently live in the Philippines?
Yes,
You ever been to America?
I haven't.
Do you wanna come to America?
I don't know. Not in my plan yet.
Okay,
Maybe.
okay. How old are
Where
you?
exactly are you in America?
Oh, I'm in Texas.
Texas?
Yeah.
Okay.
5 minutes later.
You got an Instagram?
I do.
Let me get your Instagram.
Okay, sure.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom.
Oh, wait. Um, yes.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna hit you up on it.
Yeah, sure.
Pow.
Not doing that one. Yo,
Hello.
what you doing?
Nothing. Just chilling. How about you?
I ain't doing nothing. Where you from?
That's okay. The DMV.
You ever been to Texas?
No.
Would you ever want to come to Texas?
Yeah, one day.
Yeah, I hear a lot about the DMV. I heard it's real treacherous around there.
Something like that. I don't know how to explain it. It depends on the part though.
So you don't be outside, or you be outside?
Sometimes it depends on how I'm feeling.
Boring.
You got IG?
Yeah.
Let me get your IG.
All right.
Yeah, don't act all
See.
Hollywood either.
What?
Yeah, don't be acting Hollywood. I'm gonna hit you up.
Okay.
All right, bet.
Wait, I'm gonna reply.
All right,
All
bet.
right.
That's what I'm talking about. This shit means something to me, man.
Yo,
What's up?
where you from?
Arizona. What about you?
I'm from Texas.
Texas. Nice. How's it down there?
Huh?
Anything to do?
In Texas?
Anything to do? Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah. Got a lot to do in Texas. You never heard of Houston, Texas?
I have, but everyone that I know from there is old. Like that's where the old people go to retire type shit.
What is there to do in
But
Arizona?
There's plenty of stuff to do here. There's no, there's not. It's boring. I go clubbing. So I'll be at the club. I'll go to a lot of the DJ events, the nightlife. There's a lot of nightlife here, for sure. Just because no one goes out during the day because it's fucking hot. But there's plenty of nightlife stuff. Plenty of little events and shit to go to.
Yeah. Would you ever want to come out to Texas?
I would, just to go to that tortilla factory. They make really good tacos.
Where is that?
I have to look it up, but you're on my phone. But there's this, I think it's called Maria's Tortillas or something like that. It's a family-owned tortilla place that's really good.
Okay.
Now I want tortillas.
How old are you?
I'm approaching 22. What about you?
No, I just turned 21.
Oh, what's your birthday?
You got IG?
Yeah, I do. Do you?
Yeah, let me get
Who
your
doesn't
IG.
nowadays? Okay.
I'm supposed to be going to Arizona next month.
There you go.
Cap.
Oh yeah? No, you're gonna come see me?
I mean, we can arrange that.
It's
I mean,
pretty fun out here.
yeah, I'll come see you if you're not crazy.
I can show you all my shit.
Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy. Is you gonna get you?
You not crazy?
I'm not crazy. Maybe a little bit, but not
Like
not
you
anything to be concerned about. Type crazy.
All right, so you're not gonna set a nigga up?
No. What the hell?
I'm just making sure.
Bye, have a great time.